Have you ever wondered how to create a butterfly-friendly garden? Picture this, a kaleidoscope of butterflies flitting around, adding a splash of color and life to your green oasis. Not only are these winged beauties a delight to watch, but they also play a crucial role in pollination, promoting biodiversity in your garden. They act as nature's messengers, indicating the health of our environment. So why not invite them over? Creating a butterfly-friendly garden is easier than you might think. The first step to attracting butterflies to your garden is to understand what they need. Just like us, butterflies require sunlight. It helps them regulate their body temperature. They also need shelter from wind and predators. Providing trees, shrubs, or even a butterfly house can offer this security. Don't forget about water. A shallow dish or a damp area in your garden will suffice. Each of these elements, sunlight, shelter, and water, play a vital role in creating a butterfly-friendly environment. But the most important thing butterflies need is food. Butterflies are attracted to specific plants for their nectar. Milkweed, for instance, not only provides nourishment, but also a place for butterflies to lay their eggs. Then there's the butterfly bush. This plant lives up to its name by drawing in a variety of butterfly species with its fragrant and colorful blossoms. Lastly, the coneflower is a butterfly favorite. Its large, flat petals make a perfect landing pad for our winged friends. By incorporating these plants into your garden, you can create a haven for butterflies. Once you've created your butterfly-friendly garden, it's important to maintain it. Regular watering is essential, but remember to tread lightly with pesticides. Butterflies are delicate creatures, and they thrive best in natural, non-toxic environments. Patience is key in this journey of transformation. It may take a while for these winged beauties to find and populate your garden. Remember, creating a butterfly-friendly garden is not only beneficial to butterflies, but also adds beauty to your outdoor space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.